the mind-bending discovery that changed everything we know about reality. Have you ever wondered if reality is really what we think it is? Picture this. A simple experiment, conducted over 200 years ago, accidentally proved that we might be living in something far stranger than a simulation. In 1801, a brilliant scientist named Thomas Young set up what seemed like a straightforward experiment. Just 2 slits and a light source. What he discovered would shake the very foundations of physics and our understanding of reality itself. What if I told you that this accidental discovery suggests that your consciousness, yes, your consciousness, actively creates the reality around you? Imagine yourself standing at the edge of a precipice, staring out into a vast expanse of unknowns. You're an astrophysicist, obsessed with unraveling the mysteries of the cosmos. Your team has been working tirelessly to decode the secrets of a recently discovered planet, one that's been shrouded in an atmospheric haze that defies our current understanding of gas and dust. As you pore over the data, a peculiar pattern begins to emerge. The planet's gravitational waves are not behaving as expected. Instead of following the predictable rhythm of a rotating planet, they're oscillating in a strange, almost mind-bending way. Your mind starts racing as you consider the implications. Could this be the evidence we need to prove the existence of parallel universes or multiverses? The possibilities are endless, and the more you delve into the data, the more your understanding of reality starts to unravel. You're faced with a paradox. The data suggests that the laws of physics we thought we knew are no longer applicable. It's as if the universe has been playing a trick on us all along. The more you try to make sense of it, the more you realize that the very fabric of our reality might be nothing more than an illusion. Your team is both thrilled and terrified by the discovery. You're not sure which direction to take it, but you know that history will judge you for your handling of this groundbreaking finding. Will you be remembered as the scientist who rewrote the textbooks on cosmology, or as the one who pushed the boundaries of human understanding too far? The experiment that opened a gateway to universal consciousness. Welcome, cosmic explorers. Today, we're embarking on a mind-bending journey where cutting-edge science meets the deepest mysteries of existence. We're diving deep into what's known as the double-slit experiment. But trust me, this is no ordinary science lesson. What began as a simple light experiment in the 19th century transformed into one of the most groundbreaking discoveries about consciousness and reality. This experiment didn't just change physics. It opened a gateway to understanding something far more profound. The quantum vacuum, an infinite field of energy that might be the very foundation of everything we know and don't know. Prepare to question everything you thought you knew about the nature of reality and your role in shaping it. By the end of this video, you'll understand why some of the world's leading scientists believe this experiment might actually prove the existence of a universal consciousness. You're likely no stranger to the Global Consciousness Project, a pioneering experiment initiated by Roger Nelson at the University of Princeton in the year 1998. It was this ambitious undertaking that not only propelled our understanding of collective consciousness, but also stumbled upon a profound discovery, one that has left scientists, philosophers, and mystics alike to question the very fabric of our reality. What started as a seemingly innocuous attempt to monitor and measure the collective thoughts and emotions of millions of people worldwide inadvertently uncovered evidence of a hidden, interconnected web that underlies all existence. Often referred to as the collective unconscious, this mysterious realm is not just a compilation of individual experiences, but a comprehensive tapestry woven from the intricate threads of our global psyche. The experiment's findings led Roger Nelson to propose that this collective consciousness is not confined to the boundaries of space and time, but rather an ever-present, omnitemporal phenomenon that transcends our conventional understanding of the universe. According to his research, moments of global unity and shared emotional experiences can create resonance patterns that endure for centuries, mirroring the harmonics of a cosmic song. You might wonder, what if this collective web holds the key to understanding our true nature and our place within the grand symphony of existence? What if, by tuning into this subtle yet powerful subspace, we can tap into an unparalleled potential for personal growth, interconnectedness, and cosmic awareness? Let's break down what Thomas Young actually did. He took a light source, simple sunlight, and aimed it at a solid panel, with 2 parallel slits cut into it. Behind this panel, he placed a screen to observe what would happen. As you delve into the fascinating story of Thomas Young's contribution to our understanding of the universe, you'll discover how an unexpected experiment led to a groundbreaking revelation. You'll be taking on the role of an inquisitive learner, eager to uncover the intricacies of this pivotal moment in scientific history. You find yourself in the mid-19th century, standing alongside Thomas Young, a British polymath renowned for his achievements in various fields, including physics, medicine, and linguistics. On this particular day, Young is setting up an experiment that would change the course of physics forever. The year is 1801, and the world is on the cusp of a major breakthrough. Imagine yourself watching Young carefully adjust his double-slit experiment in his laboratory. The goal is to demonstrate the existence of light waves and their behavior when exposed to a screen with two narrow slits. Young is not solely focused on double-slit experiments. His curiosity extends to understanding the nature of light and its role in shaping our universe. As you assist Young with his equipment, you begin to grasp the significance of this seemingly simple experiment. The double-slit experiment is not just a test of light propagation. It's a window into the very fabric of reality. You start to see the experiment as a metaphor for the limits of human perception, raising profound questions about the intricate dance between observer and observed. In the next part of the experiment, you'll be setting up the equipment to observe the pattern created by light waves. This will include Young's screen, which records the projection of light as it passes through the double slits. The outcome is far from predictable, leaving you with a sense of anticipation and wonder. You can't help but wonder what drives Young's curiosity and innovation. Is it his desire to unravel the mysteries of the universe, or does he seek to demonstrate the importance of scientific inquiry? Perhaps it's a combination of both, pushing the boundaries of what we thought possible and challenging the status quo. As you look up from your notes, Young gazes at you with an air of excitement, hinting at the sheer magnitude of what lies ahead. In this moment, you're not just a participant in an experiment. You're a witness to a groundbreaking moment in scientific history, a testament to the power of curiosity-driven inquiry that continues to shape our understanding of the world today. Sounds simple, right? Well, hold on to your seats. The shocking results. When light defied classical physics, what Young observed next defied all logic. Instead of seeing two bright lines on the screen, which is what you'd expect if light behaved like particles, he saw an interference pattern, multiple bands of light and dark stripes. This pattern could only be explained if light was behaving like a wave, similar to ripples in a pond. But here's where it gets truly bizarre. When scientists later fired individual particles of light, photons, through the slits, one at a time, they still created an interference pattern. It was as if each particle was going through both slits simultaneously. As you ponder the mysteries of the universe, you stumble upon an experiment that will challenge everything you thought you knew about light and its behavior. In the early 19th century, Young's double-slit experiment showed that light can exhibit both wave-like and particle-like properties. However, this phenomenon hinted at the existence of a more profound truth, one that would shake the foundations of classical physics. Imagine being the scientist who, by pure accident, stumbles upon a groundbreaking discovery that rewrites the rules of the physical universe. That might sound like the stuff of science fiction, but it's exactly what happened in the 19th century when the behavior of light was finally put to the test. The Maxwell's equations, formulated by James Clerk Maxwell in the mid-19th century, established the framework for understanding the behavior of electromagnetic fields. But they failed to account for the strange, seemingly random changes in the behavior of light observed during experiments. Researchers were left wondering if there was more to the universe than what classical physics could explain. And then, in the late 19th century, the Michelson-Morley experiment cast a dark shadow over the Lorentz ether theory, further eroding the foundations of classical physics. The experimental results hinted at the possibility of a unified theory that transcended the constraints of classical mechanics and electromagnetism. The quantum vacuum isn't empty space, as we might imagine. Instead, it's a bustling ocean of potential energy, where particles pop in and out of existence constantly. This infinite field connects everything in the universe, from the stars in distant galaxies to the atoms in your body. Imagine yourself standing at the edge of the universe, gazing into the infinite expanse of the quantum vacuum. This is not a void, but a cosmic ocean teeming with possibilities, where subatomic particles flit about, creating and annihilating themselves in a delicate dance. As you peer into this realm, you begin to grasp the concept of virtual particles born from the quantum fluctuations within the vacuum. These ephemeral creatures are the manifestations of the universe's hidden energy, imbuing the cosmos with an otherworldly essence. Picture a sea of zero-point energy, where particles and antiparticles emerge and disappear in a constant cycle of creation and annihilation. This perpetual motion gives rise to the quantum foam, an ever-changing landscape that underlies the fabric of space-time. Now, let your thoughts wander to the Heisenberg uncertainty principle and how it governs the behavior of these subatomic inhabitants. The principle states that there is an inherent limit to the precision with which we can know certain properties of a particle, like its position and momentum, simultaneously. In this probabilistic universe, the boundaries between certainty and uncertainty blur, and the nature of reality becomes increasingly elusive. The quantum vacuum, hence, serves as a mirror reflecting the intricate dance between the fundamental forces and the fleeting nature of existence. As you delve deeper into this mystical realm, you start to appreciate the connections between the quantum vacuum and the mysteries of the universe. You begin to grasp the significance of the quantum fluctuations as the seeds for the emergence of matter and antimatter. These ephemeral ripples in the fabric of space-time hold the key to understanding the origin of the universe and the fundamental forces that govern its evolution. The quantum vacuum serves as a window into the primordial era, offering insights into the cosmic processes that shape the universe as we know it today. As you ponder the secrets of the quantum vacuum, you come to realize that the universe is a tapestry woven from the intricate relationships between its constituent particles and forces. The cosmic ocean of possibilities, with all its uncertainties and paradoxes, provides a profound reminder of the awe-inspiring complexity and beauty that underlies the fabric of reality. Now, here's where things get really interesting. When scientists attempted to observe which slit the particles were going through, something incredible happened. The mere act of observation caused the interference pattern to disappear. The particles started behaving like, well, particles. This is the famous observer effect. The demonstration that consciousness itself seems to influence the behavior of matter at the quantum level. You've probably heard the phrase observer effect before, but have you ever stopped to think about its profound implications on our understanding of reality? As an active participant in this vast, intricately woven tapestry, your consciousness plays a pivotal role in shaping the very fabric of existence. The observer effect suggests that the act of observing, or perceiving, an event influences its outcome. Sounds simple enough, but here's where it gets really interesting. This effect is not limited to the physical realm. It permeates all aspects of life, including the quantum world. Quantum mechanics, in particular, highlights the delicate dance between observer and observed, blurring the lines between reality and perception. Imagine being a scientist attempting to measure the position of an electron in a lab. According to the principles of Schrödinger's cat, the act of observation, which could be simply the scientist's presence, disrupts the electron's momentum, effectively collapsing its probability wave into a fixed location. This demonstrates that, at the most fundamental level, our consciousness influences the behavior of subatomic particles. As a conscious being, you're not just a passive observer. You're an integral component of the grand experiment we call life. Every thought, every emotion, and every decision creates a ripple effect that resonates throughout the universe. Your very presence changes the dynamics of space and time, like a stone thrown into a pond creating concentric ripples on its surface. This fundamental interplay between observer and observed reshapes our understanding of free will and determinism. If consciousness plays a crucial role in shaping reality, does this imply a level of predestination? Or does the sheer complexity of the human experience defy our attempting to pin down a single truth? The observer effect reminds us that our perceptions, though subjective, are a reflection of reality itself. We're entwined with the universe, and every moment, we're crafting an ever-changing narrative that reflects our collective consciousness. As you reflect on this concept, ask yourself, what does it mean to be a conscious observer in a world that's inextricably linked to our perceptions? How might this insight change the way you navigate life? And what role do you envision yourself playing in this grand experiment? This discovery raises profound questions about the nature of reality. If consciousness can influence matter at its most fundamental level, what does this mean for our understanding of the universe? Are we, as conscious beings, actively participating in creating reality? The properties of the quantum vacuum, being omnipresent, containing infinite potential, and responding to consciousness, bear striking similarities to descriptions of the divine in various spiritual traditions. Could ancient mystics have intuited what modern physics is now proving? You might have wondered, what lies at the heart of our universe, the quantum vacuum? This mysterious realm has long fascinated physicists. But did you know it's not as disconnected from religious concepts as it initially seems? Delve deeper, and you'll discover intriguing parallels between the two, leaving you questioning the true nature of reality. The vacuum, often seen as a state of nothingness, is, in fact, a hub of quantum activity. Particles constantly appear and disappear in this enigmatic realm, creating a web of connections that defy classical notions of space and time. It's here that the groundwork for the fabric of our universe is laid. This dynamic, seemingly random dance of particles has puzzled physicists for ages. Meanwhile, in the realm of religious concepts, the idea of a divine connection persists across cultures and faiths. This concept speaks to a profound sense of oneness, an interconnectedness that transcends mortal understanding. It proposes that there exists a higher power, a guiding force that weaves the tapestry of existence. What if I told you that these two seemingly disparate realms are, in fact, intertwined? The quantum vacuum and religious concepts are connected by a thread of unified perception. Think of it like this. The quantum vacuum is not just a physical phenomenon, but also a metaphor for the interconnected, ever-changing world we live in. The many worlds interpretation of quantum mechanics suggests that every possibility in the universe exists in a separate reality. This raises questions. Are these parallel universes part of a grander, interconnected web, reflecting the multiverse concept? And if so, what role does the divine connection play in this grand scheme? We propose that the divine connection is not just a mystical notion, but a reflection of the quantum reality we inhabit. This perspective argues that our perceived reality is, in fact, a manifestation of the quantum vacuum's inherent interconnectedness. In this light, the divine connection is a symbolic representation of the universe's inherent non-locality and interconnectedness. This symbiotic relationship between the quantum vacuum and religious concepts is no coincidence. Rather, it's a reflection of the human desire to comprehend the mystery of existence. By combining insights from quantum mechanics and religious traditions, we may just uncover the hidden truth about our universe. A truth that reveals the divine connection is, in fact, our own interconnectedness with the cosmos. Today, the implications of the double-slit experiment extend far beyond theoretical physics. From quantum computing to consciousness studies, this fundamental discovery continues to influence cutting-edge research and technology. As you delve into the mysteries of the universe, the unintentional discovery made by researchers continues to have a profound impact on the way we understand the cosmos. The implications of this breakthrough are far-reaching and multifaceted, influencing various disciplines that further shed light on the universe. You find yourself exploring the intersection of astrophysics and technology, where the discovery is revolutionizing the way we approach space exploration. The principle of non-intervention that underlies this breakthrough is being leveraged to develop more efficient and sustainable propulsion systems for deep space missions. This, in turn, is expanding our capacity to travel through the vast expanse of the universe, allowing us to probe the unknown regions of the cosmos. The effects of this discovery are equally profound in the realm of cosmology, as researchers utilize its principles to gain insight into the fundamental nature of time and space. By analyzing the distortions in space-time caused by the unintentional discovery, scientists are beginning to unravel the mysteries of dark matter and dark energy, which has long been an enigma in the field of cosmology. Moreover, the discovery is influencing the development of new materials and technologies. Researchers are now able to understand the properties of exotic matter, which is enabling the creation of innovative materials with unique properties. These breakthroughs hold the potential to transform various industries, including energy, transportation, and manufacturing. As you continue to unlock the secrets of this discovery, you begin to appreciate the profound impact it has on our understanding of the universe. Its far-reaching implications are paving the way for revolutionary advancements in science and technology, driving humanity forward and expanding our horizons. The double-slit experiment serves as a bridge between the objective world of science and the subjective realm of consciousness. It suggests that these two domains, long thought to be separate, might be intimately connected. As you delve deeper into the mysteries of the universe, you begin to realize that the pursuit of knowledge is not just a linear endeavor, but a multidimensional one. It's a bridge that spans across the seemingly disparate realms of science and spirituality. You're probably familiar with the notion that science is about observing, experimenting, and analyzing the physical world around us, striving to uncover the underlying laws and patterns that govern it. On the other end of the spectrum, spirituality often revolves around the realm of the unknown, the mystical, and the transcendent. The relationship between these two concepts has long been viewed as a dichotomy, with science being seen as rational and spiritual pursuits as emotional or even irrational. However, as you venture into the uncharted territories of dark matter and dark energy, you begin to notice a subtle yet profound connection between these two seemingly distinct worlds. You start to unravel the threads that weave the tapestry of existence, and a surprising pattern emerges. The invisible forces that shape the cosmos are not just physical, but also imbued with a mystical essence that transcends the confines of human understanding. In this threshold space, quantum physics and ancient wisdom converge, revealing the intricate dance between the macrocosm and the microcosm. You begin to contemplate the idea that the universe is a vast laboratory, where spirituality and science coexist in a harmonious union. This confluence challenges your perspective, as you start to see the world not just as a collection of particles and forces, but as a symphony of interconnectedness that resonates at multiple frequencies. The implications of this discovery are profound. As you continue to explore the intersection of science and spirituality, you start to realize that our individual experiences are not isolated events, but tangents of a larger cosmic narrative. This narrative is not just a collection of facts and theories, but a living, breathing embodiment of the universe's essence. In the end, the bridge between science and spirituality reveals a profound truth: that our understanding of reality is not just a product of human ingenuity, but a reflection of the universe's own whispers. The double-slit experiment isn't just another scientific curiosity. It's your gateway to understanding your role in the cosmic dance of creation. From Thomas Young's accidental discovery to modern quantum physics, we're just beginning to grasp the true nature of consciousness and its relationship with reality. If this video expanded your mind as much as it did mine, hit that subscribe button to join our community of cosmic explorers. You'll find our complete playlist on quantum physics and consciousness linked in the description below. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. How does the idea of consciousness creating reality change your perspective on existence? Share your insights and let's discuss. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to catch our next deep dive into the mysteries of the universe. Until then, keep questioning reality. It might just be questioning you back.